morning, friends. This is Miss Whitney and Summer, and we are here to show you how to make a delicious smoothie, right?
Yeah.
And this is called the Power Up with Protein Breakfast Shake from the Michigan Fitness Foundation recipe book. And we're going to get started, okay? So our ingredients today are chopped bananas and crumbled graham crackers.
Yeah.
We have ice,
And this.
crunchy peanut butter, and we are using skim milk. You can also use oat milk or almond milk. So we got our peanut butter and ice in there. And now we're going to put in our crumbled graham crackers. You can dump the whole bowl in if you want.
No.
Okay, you'd like to do it one at a time?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Violet. You can use crunchy peanut butter or almond butter or something else. Now we're adding the milk. Way to go. Awesome. Good job. So now we'll put the lid on and then we'll blend it, right?
Ready to blend.
And we're ready to blend.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
What do you think, sis?
It's good.
It's good. All right. Thank you, friends, for watching. We hope you have a great day. Do you want to wave? Say, stay healthy. Bye.